Second, we believe that the foundation of quality education lies on strong personal support. This is why we are ensuring that there is high teacher-to-student ratio so that each student will receive ample guidance and attention that they need to excel.
In the Faculty of Dentistry, it is not only theory which is important, but the practical and the clinical skill is very important in the dentistry, because we have to communicate with patient. Because patient is a live patient, they have emotion,